Check it out.
In this video, I'm going to show you the best Hostinger Black Friday deals you want to grab immediately. Hostinger is offering 85% discount on hosting you would want to hop in, and they are offering you the best and cheapest hosting ever. You want to grab immediately, plus free .com domain. Who doesn't want that? Please stick to this video and let me show you how it is done. By the way, if you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If these are things you love, hit the subscribe button and let's go get the cheapest Black Friday deals. Come to your browser and type faithamole.com/best Black Friday 2025, or you just come to your browser and type faithamole.com. I will also leave the link to this particular website in the description of my video. Just click on the first link you see down below to get access to it. Just click on it and boom, takes you to this place. You can also come to faithamole.com, hover around the resources, and then you click on Black Friday deals. You'll be able to arrive here. So I want to show you how to get Hostinger Black Friday deal. Let's just scroll down a little. You come here and see that Hostinger is offering you 85% discount this period. You can also use this coupon to get extra 20% discount. So just click on this get Hostinger Black Friday. Boom, you are already on it. You've gotten extra 20%. Click on claim deal. Make sure you pick any of these. So if you pick this is absolutely fine. Here is where the magic happens. If you are hosting for a very long time, you are saving up to $800. That's absolutely amazing. You're getting this hosting at the rate of $2.20 per month. That is absolutely amazing. So paying $105 to host for 48 months. You're hosting for 3 years and you are paying $105. Absolutely amazing. That is not even all. You are getting free .com domain. Make sure you hop in to access this before it ends. As you can see, this is what is remaining at the Black Friday. Is huge opportunity for those who are hosting for 48 months. Don't miss this opportunity. I will drop the link to my website where you access this Black Friday deal immediately. See you in my next video.